Let's look at a new setting we've now placed inside the DNA plan items that allows you to send automatic emails or SMSs outside of your Office sending window. The Office sending window is set up on your account in the Office settings area, and at the bottom in the Office you will have a default automation start time. Looking at the default automation start time, my Office is set that all automatic emails and SMSs will send from 9:30 a.m. in the morning plus 9 hours, which will take us through to 6:30 p.m. If an SMS or email is due to be sent after 6:30 p.m., it will be paused and it won't be sent until the next morning at 9:30. This may not apply for some DNA plans. If we look in the engine and you are using some of the triggers for auto replies for inspections and inquiries, you may want those inspection SMSs and emails to send instantly if you're doing an open home, say at 7 p.m. If we go into the DNA plans and we're going to look at the trig and we'll use the inquiry response one, in the edit plan area, you'll see that I have an email and an SMS. Now, if someone makes an inquiry on a property of mine at 11 p.m. and I want this email to send instantly, we now have a new setting by hitting the edit. In the timing, we can ignore the Office open hours. The reason that we would ignore this is that when someone submits an inquiry to us, we want them to get the email response straight away, knowing that it's been captured into our system and we will reply to them soon. So I'm going to save that setting. With the SMS as well, I'm going to ignore the Office open hours and save that setting. If we didn't turn this setting on and the person made an inquiry at 11 p.m., it means that they would not get this email or this SMS until 9:30 a.m. the next morning. So for any items inside DNA plans where you want the email and the SMS to send instantly, and it does not matter about your Office sending hours, make sure you go to edit, in the timing, turn on the new setting, and then save that item.